is a video about secret codes, necklaces, and what's useful, or useless. We're first going to learn about RSA, the crypto system behind almost everything that gets encrypted on the internet, from emails to bank account passwords. It was invented in 1977 by Ronald Rivest, Adi Shamir, and Leonard Adelman, based on a concept thought of by Whitfield Diffie and Martin Hellman. Before we can get into RSA, there is some background knowledge you'll need, so we'll start with a simpler cipher, known as a multiplicative cipher. Say you want to send me an encrypted message. For now, we'll keep the message simple. You need to secretly convey to me the sinister message known as the letter D. Dun dun dun! First, you need to turn your letter into a number. A would become 0, B would become 1, and C is 2, so D is 3. Next, you would use a key, say the number 15, and then multiply your message by your key. You would get 45. Then you would use modular arithmetic to turn this number into a number between 0 and 25. If you don't already know what modular arithmetic is, here's a quick summary. In modular arithmetic, the only numbers that exist are the integers from 0 to 1 less than the modulus, which is some integer that's more than 0. For example, if 26 were the modulus, the only numbers that exist are 0 to 25. If there's a number outside of this range, say 54, you add or subtract the modulus until the number is within the range. So 54 would become 2, since that's what 54 becomes after subtracting 26 twice. 54 is now said to be equivalent to 2 mod 26. It's often seen as the numbers wrapping around to 0 once they reach the modulus, and you can see a visualization of that here. The numbers that line up in this spiral are equivalent to each other, mod 26. Since there are 26 letters, the multiplicative cipher uses a modulus of 26, and 45 minus 26 is 19, so 45 is equivalent to 19 mod 26. You can see how 45 lines up with 19 in the spiral because of this. 19 corresponds to the letter T, so that would be the encrypted message. If this doesn't make sense at first, that's very understandable. This is usually the kind of thing taught over the course of an hour, and I'm trying to cram it into a minute, so feel free to rewatch this part or look it up online. Now that we've encrypted, all that's left to do is decrypt, which we'll do in the next section.
Created using Powtoon.